Hello everyone. Hello. Hello everybody. Hi everyone. Welcome back again. Today is my 8th session with Amul और आज है इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पेशल और जो हम कल सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं दैट इज़ 15th ऑफ अगस्त 2020 और उसकी सेलिब्रेशन खुशी में आज मैं बनाने वाला हूँ एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग डेजर्ट. हाय आशमी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हाय हेमानी, हाय नरेश, हाय ओसामा, हाय गाइस, हाय सौरभ, हाय हीरल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग गाइस. आज है बहुत ही स्पेशल डे जो हम कल सेलिब्रेट करेंगे दैट इज़ इंडियाज़ इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑन 15th ऑफ अगस्त 2020. हाय मारिया, हाय एवरीबडी, थैंक यू गाइस. तो आज हम बनाएंगे दो तरीके की डेजर्ट दैट विल बी वन इज़ बासबूसा एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ उमाली. दोनों मिडल ईस्टर्न डेजर्ट हैं. 30 मिनट्स में हम अपना सेशन पूरा करेंगे और I'm sure that you guys gonna enjoy with my lovely recipe today and इस डिश को आप ज़रूर कल ट्राई करें. इंडिया का इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करें दैट इज़ 15 अगस्त 2020 और मुझे ज़रूर टैग करें. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you so much Amul. Hi Veronica, thank you so much for joining. You have been back to Paris. Hi, thank you so much guys. So today is my 8th session as you remember and I'll be coming live again and again with Amul with such a nice feedback I've got and I'm really privileged and happy that you guys are giving me that much of support and love, so that's why I'm coming back again and again. So I think we should start our session. I will show you the ingredients. Recipe already मैंने ऊपर description में लिखी हुई है, so you guys can just go and visit my recipe with all the ingredients in gram. It's an eggless recipe, eggless dessert. You guys can definitely try tomorrow at India's Independence Day and don't forget to tag me. And I would like to thank Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah for giving me this opportunity, as well as Amul for giving me this opportunity again and again. Manu has been really a great support and supporting me all the time. So आज का जो live है that is Middle Eastern dessert. I'll just show you the ingredients now. Here are the ingredients जो हम आज use करने वाले हैं. पहली डिश जो हम बनाएंगे that is बासबूसा, जिसमें हम use करेंगे melted butter, चीनी, सूजी, दही, बेकिंग सोडा एंड सॉल्ट एंड देन यहाँ हम बनाएंगे शुगर सिरप जिसमें हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं शुगर, रोज़ वाटर, सिनेमन एंड वाटर. ये सब हम यूज़ करेंगे हमारी फर्स्ट डिश के लिए और साथ में हम उस पर टॉप करेंगे आलमंड्स. आलमंड को मैंने ऑलरेडी ब्लांच करके स्किनलेस करके रेडी करके रखा हुआ है. हाय रिम्पी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड एंड दिस इज पफ पेस्ट्री. हाय कौशल मामी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हाय नहार सिंह, थैंक यू गाइस. और जो दूसरी डिश बनाएंगे वो है उमाली, जिसमें हम यूज़ करेंगे पिस्ताचियो, आलमंड फ्लेक्स, शुगर, milk, cream. Milk and cream is an equal quantity, and then orange blossom, that's orange flavor water, rose water and puff pastry. So guys, this is my ingredients for today. और हम इसको करेंगे बेक. दोनों डिश करने वाले हैं हम बेक. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रेसिपी है. एंड नाउ आई एम हाई हीरल फ्रॉम पोलैंड, थैंक यू सो मच. हाई लेप्चा फॉर इजराइल. आई हैव लॉट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट countries. Thank you so much guys for joining. Now I'm just moving my camera and handing over my phone to my colleague so that we will starting our session. Here we go. Here I am back again with Amul 8th session with Chef Sarthak Kochhar from Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रेसिपी. सो फॉर द फर्स्ट रेसिपी व्हाट वी गोना डू, हमें चाहिए एक बॉल जिसमें हम डालेंगे मेल्टेड बटर. हमने बटर को ऑलरेडी मेल्ट करके रखा हुआ है. And today I have my special friend Revati. She will be reading out the comments side by side. So हमने पहले बटर मेल्ट करके रखा हुआ है, उस पर हम डालेंगे हम शुगर,
Hello chef, how are you?
I'm good Revati. Thank you so much for joining my live today again. You can say hello hi.
My pleasure chef.
You can say hello hi to people till the time I'm mixing it.
Yeah, definitely. So the Castle Toxi is saying all ingredients are easily available. she's asking about it.
Yes, it is very much easily available, जिसमें हम यूज कर रहे हैं बटर, हम यूज कर रहे हैं चीनी, दही यूज कर रहे हैं, सूजी यूज कर रहे हैं, हर घर में आपको मिलेगी, और साथ में बेकिंग सोडा एंड सॉल्ट यूज कर रहे हैं.
Okay, Amruta is saying hello. Sangeeta
Hi.
Sarkar is saying what's the name of the recipe, if you can repeat?
The name of the recipe is basbousa. It's a Arabian dish, Arabian Middle East dessert, eggless, जिसको हम बेक करेंगे.
Okay, so you have coming greetings from all over globally, from everywhere.
Thank you so much.
Praniti Das says hi.
Hi, hello. Hi, Ashish Chavla.
Ashish Chavla is saying wow. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Revati. Now, guys, you can see we have put butter, we have put sugar, और अब हम इसमें डालेंगे हमारी योगर्ट. हमने सबसे पहले डाला है इसमें बटर, शुगर एंड योगर्ट. ये डिश जो हम बना रहे हैं, दैट इज अ मिडल ईस्टर्न डिश फ्रॉम अरेबियन पेनिनसुला एंड दैट दिस इज फ्रॉम अरेबियन पेनिनसुला, जिसके अंदर हम यूज कर रहे हैं, मैंने बताया आपको, बटर यूज किया है हमने इसके अंदर योगर्ट यूज किया है, हमने इसमें शुगर यूज किया है. अब हम इसमें देखिए, आप देख सकते हैं, हम इसको मिक्स कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे से. राइट, यू कैन सी इट्स नाइस लवली. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे बेकिंग सोडा एंड सॉल्ट, जो हमने ऑलरेडी पहले से ही मिक्स करके रखा हुआ है.
Chef, there are some questions coming up. If you can tell the quantities.
Quantities, everything is mentioned on my description above with grams. Everything is mentioned there. You can just have a look at the quantity later on once my video is finished. You can just use the same ingredients quantity in grams is mentioned and prepare. Now we are.
And Meena Manoj is asking, is it castor sugar?
No, it is not a castor sugar. It's a normal sugar, but not a thick grain sugar. So now you can see we have already mixed it really well. हमारा मिक्सचर तैयार हो चुका है. इसमें हमने डाला है बटर एंड नाउ वी विल बी पुटिंग इट आवर मोल्ड टू बेक इट. You can say hello, hi Revati to the people who are joining us.
No, yeah, sure. Kamashri Majumdar is saying hello.
Hi everybody.
Mini Chef is saying hi, saying Basbousa calls for coconut powder, so why it is not used here?
Basbousa, you can use desiccated coconut on the top of the basbousa, and it's up to you, it's optional. So I'm making it semolina, but you can use desiccated coconut on the top of basbousa, and then you can put almonds.
Okay, you have one request from Bharti Arora. Please Chef baklava bhi sikha do.
Definitely we'll teach you in the next upcoming sessions. So now you can show them. मैंने ऑलरेडी एक मोल्ड रेडी करके रखा हुआ है, जिसमें मैं मिक्सचर डाल रहा हूँ. इसको आपको हल्के हाथों से दबा लेना है और इसको फ्लैटन करना है. इट्स अप टू यू. यू कैन यूज स्पैचुला, यू कैन यूज पैलेट नाइफ, अप टू यू. So do we have any other people who have joined us?
Yes, Saurabh Joshi is saying hi. He's saying, what does it mean by Basbousa? What does it mean?
Basbousa is, as she said, is already with the coconut and semolina, and it's a very delicate and Arabian dessert, which is very much easily available. Whenever you will come to UAE, you will find basbousa in every sweet store. And then it's a very lovely and light dessert. जैसे आप लोग घर में सूजी का हलवा बनाते हैं, वैसे ही उसका थोड़ा डिफरेंट स्टाइल में बना रहे हैं, but that is a bit of baking. Now what we'll do, we'll show them. We are cutting our basbousa. जैसा बर्फी को काटते हैं वैसे आपको उसको काटना है. It's up to you. If you want to cut into star shape, you want to cut into cubes, it's all totally depends upon you how you want to cut it. I'll be cutting into a bit of, जैसे आप काजू की बर्फी काटते हैं उसी स्टाइल में काटेंगे इसको.
Chef, there is one question coming from Hiral. He's saying we can ask Chef what can be replacement for baking soda.
You can use baking powder, but the quantity will differ. अब हम इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं?
Hello Chef.
हेलो. अब हम इसमें लगा रहे हैं आलमंड्स. थोड़ा हल्के हाथों से इसको दबाना है। आलमंड्स को मैंने ऑलरेडी पहले ही ब्लांच करके रखा हुआ है। यू कैन सी, इसको हम बेक करेंगे 180 डिग्री पे 12 से 15 मिनट के लिए, 12 to 15 minutes. It depends upon the quantity you are using. I am not using much quantity, so it will be cooked within 12 to 15 minutes. Till the time we will make our sugar syrup for the basbousa, and we will be making our umali. Revati, you can read the comments, you can read the questions side by side.
Saroj Bhandari saying, please repeat the recipe. If you can repeat at the end
Definitely,
of the session.
definitely, I will repeat the recipe.
Rita Gupta is saying, hello chef from Ahmedabad.
Hi Rita. Now you
And
can see.
Amrita is asking, what's
Yeah.
the mold called as? Can we use tart mold?
Yeah, you can use tart mold. You can use any not a silicon mold. You can use any tart mold you have around. You have the molds for your like the one which I use, the covered mold, but it will take a bit more time to cook, as in this air will pass easily, in that air will not pass that much easily, so you have to bake it for maybe another like 2-3 minutes extra. So now what we will doing is, हम इसको बेक करने वाले हैं। हमारे बासबूसा को हम ओवन में डालेंगे जो ऑलरेडी प्री हीटेड है। इसमें हम इसको कुक करेंगे 180 पे 12 से 15 मिनट के लिए। वी विल कीप ऑन चेकिंग। ये ओवन में मैंने डाल दिया है ऑलरेडी, एंड नाउ विल क्लोज इट। इसका मैं टेम्परेचर सेट करूंगा, दैट इज 180 फॉर, इसको हम 15 मिनट के लिए डालेंगे। स्टार्ट। हमारा बासबूसा बेक होना शुरू हो रहा है, तब तक हम अपना इंडक्शन ऑन करते हैं जिसमें हम शुगर सिरप डालेंगे। Till the time sugar syrup will get cooked, I will be making our nice, lovely umali. Revati, you can just start asking the questions what people are asking, so we can answer them.
Sure. Sir, we have a question from Rinku Singha. She's asking, please sir, hung curd use किया है क्या?
नहीं, हमने हंग कर्ड यूज़ नहीं किया है, हमने नॉर्मल कर्ड यूज़ किया है जो आपके पास घर में अवेलेबल है। अब हम शुगर सिरप बना रहे हैं, जिसके लिए मैंने ऑलरेडी पानी डाला हुआ है। इसमें हम डालेंगे शुगर, cinnamon stick.
Chef, there is one compliment to me, sir. Do kindly visit Hilton, Poland too. So there is a request coming you to visit Hilton, Poland.
Definitely I will be there once I visit Poland. So अब इसको मिक्स कर रहे हैं, and then we'll be just boiling it for a while, और इसमें हम थोड़ा सा रोज वाटर डाल देंगे। To give it a flavor. Now you can see the sugar syrup. इसको हम बॉईल कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी। कैमरा प्लीज शो देम द शुगर सिरप।
If you can repeat, what the temperature have you set the baklava?
The temperature I set for baklava, the basbousa is 180 degree for 15 minutes. और अब हम बना रहे हैं शुगर सिरप। शुगर सिरप में मैंने डाला है वाटर, शुगर, जितना चीनी है उसकी डबल क्वांटिटी वाटर डालना है आपको, और साथ में हमने इसमें यूज किया है सिनेमन स्टिक एंड लिटिल ऑफ रोज वाटर। आप थोड़ा सा लेमन भी डाल सकते हैं, आप थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज भी डाल सकते हैं, टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू, बट फॉर बासबूसा आई विल रिकमेंड टू पुट अ बिट ऑफ ऑरेंज इज फाइन, और रोज वाटर। इसको मैं क्या करूंगा, पीछे वाले उस पर बॉईल करने के लिए छोड़ूंगा, एंड देन विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग आवर उमाली।
Sir, there is one question from Kamini Sutaria. Without oven, how we can bake?
Without oven, how you can do is, you can make a in-house oven. How you do it on the gas. आप नीचे एक रैक लगाएं, नमक डालें उसके अंदर, उसको गर्म करें अच्छे से, पतीले को लें, ढक्कन वाला जो लिड वाला हो, उसके बाद उसे जब वो अच्छे से गर्म का टेम्परेचर मेंटेन हो जाएगा, देन यू पुट दिस वन इनसाइड द in-house oven that is on the gas, and then you bake it. But I prefer to make it in, if you have a microwave which is fully functional with the convection, you can use the same 180 degree for 12 to 15 minutes in a small quantity. If it is in a bigger quantity, you should do 20 to 25 minutes. अब हम उमाली बनाएंगे। उमाली के लिए हम यूज करने वाले हैं, मेरे इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिखा देता हूँ। कैमरा, यू कैन जस्ट शो द इंग्रेडिएंट्स नाउ। वी आर यूजिंग मिल्क, वी आर यूजिंग क्रीम, वी आर यूजिंग sugar, We are using pistachio, almonds, rose water and orange blossom and puff pastry. Hi Shikha Kochari, please say you are using both rods for baking or only lower rod. It's up to you. You can use I will be using one rod itself by one time because I will be preparing the other items as well. Yes Revati, you can ask, you can repeat the questions, I can answer. अब आप देख रहे हैं शुगर सिरप ऑलरेडी बॉयल होना शुरू हो गया है. नाउ माय फ्रेंड रेवती, शी विल बी आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस.
Yeah, Chef Jyotika Singh is saying nice explanation.
Thank you so much.
Also, she's asking Kevra water can also be added or not.
Sorry, Kevra water? Yes, you can use Kevra water.
Yeah.
Yes, you can. So now for Omali, what we're gonna do, we'll be using equal quantity of milk and cream. I'm adding milk and cream of equal quantity. And what we'll do, we will be adding sugar. शुगर के बिना तो कोई डेजर्ट अच्छी बनती नहीं है. तो अगर आपको शुगर फ्री यूज करना है, यू कैन यूज शुगर फ्री, बट आई विल प्रेफर टू यूज शुगर बिकॉज डेजर्ट का मजा शुगर में ही है. नाउ यू कैन शो देम व्हाट वी हैव डन. हमने डाला है ओमाली के लिए इक्वल क्वांटिटी. अगर 100 ग्राम दूध यूज करेंगे तो 100 ml ही क्रीम यूज करनी है. वी हैव पुट 100 ml ऑफ मिल्क, so 100 ml of cream, and then we have added 50 gram of sugar. And अब हम इसमें डालेंगे, इसको हम बॉईल करेंगे. बहुत ही इजी, बहुत ही सिंपल रेसिपी है जिसमें मेरे पास है रोज वाटर एंड ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम. अगर आपके पास ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम नहीं है सो यू कैन यूज ऑरेंज का जो पील होता है उसको निकाल के आप बॉईल करें अच्छे से, एंड देन यू कैन यूज द सेम वाटर एज ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम. Hi, Revati, you can start reading the questions so that I can answer.
Yeah, sure. Amrita Ghorke is asking, can we use rose essence? I
Yes,
think in the previous
you can use rose essence. That's up to you. It totally depends upon you. If you have rose essence, I'm using rose water. It's almost the same.
Also, Anjali Bhartan is asking, hello chef, we can save this dish for how many days?
Basbousa, it has a shelf life of 1 month because it's a dry item, so you can keep it outside if it's not too hot, or else you can keep it in the chiller and you can enjoy for 12 to 15 days. It won't go anywhere. It's a very nice and lovely dessert. Now you can see. Yes, you can keep on asking. Yeah.
Is it fresh cream?
Yes, you can use fresh cream. You can use. The canned cream is totally depends upon you. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे केवरा, ये हमारा रोज वाटर एंड ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम. रोज वाटर डाल दिया, ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम डाल दिया. बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आता है ऑरेंज ब्लॉसम के साथ. इसको अच्छे से मिलाएंगे. अब हमारा जैसे बॉयल होना शुरू होगा. एंड नाउ द थिंग वी हैव टू ऐड इज अवर पफ पेस्ट्री. आपने पफ पेस्ट्री के बारे में सुना होगा, आप घर में पैटीज खाते हैं. ये देखिए ऐसी दिखती है पफ पेस्ट्री. दिस इज पफ पेस्ट्री. आप घर में पैटीज खाते हैं तो वही सेम पफ है. अगर आपके पास पफ पेस्ट्री नहीं है तो अगर आपके पास घर में क्रोज़ो पड़ा हुआ है, यू कैन इवन यूज क्रोज़ो, राइट. सो नाउ विल बी एडिंग अ लिटिल ऑफ नट्स, नॉट टू मच. सम ऑफ द almonds, some of the pistachio, and then we'll add puff pastry. This is the other from the garnish. Now आप देख रहे हैं हमारा ये ऑलरेडी मिक्सचर बॉयल हो चुका है, so we will add puff pastry. Revati, do we have anybody is asking any questions?
Yeah, Steph, we have a question from Jyotika again. Is basbousa served hot or cold?
Basbousa is served cold, not hot. So you have to leave it outside for a while till the time it get cold, and then you're gonna serve it. I have already prepared one, and I can show you that one as well, and I will be showing this one as well, both of them together. तो आप देख सकते हैं मैंने इसमें पूरी पफ पेस्ट्री डाल दी है. Yes, Revati, do we have any greetings?
Yeah.
Anybody saying hello, hi? We can say hello, hi to everybody.
Yeah, Anup Sharma is saying hi, chef.
Hi, Anup.
Mohammed Nuruddin is saying, can we use Thai biscuits or fine biscuits in place
या
of
यू कैन
plain farm?
अगर आपके पास हाँ फैन पड़ा है वो फैन भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट फैन इज बिट सॉल्टी, तो आपको थोड़ा शुगर की क्वांटिटी देख के चलनी पड़ेगी, पर फैन इज बिट सॉल्टी, अ लिटिल ऑफ सॉल्टी.
Also, there's repeat questions. Can we use khari biscuits?
खारी बिस्किट इज यू नो इट्स बिट ऑफ अ सॉल्टी थिंग, सो अगर आपके पास फैन है जो सॉल्टी वाला नहीं है, शुगर वाला फैन है, तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो आप देख सकते हैं हमारी उमाली ऑलरेडी रेडी हो चुकी है. इसको आप और थिक कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा और थिन कर सकते हैं. अगर आप उसको और थिन करना है, सो यू कैन ऐड आवर व्हाट यू कॉल मिल्क और क्रीम. सो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोल रेडी करके रखा हुआ है जिसमें हम इसको ओवन में डालने से पहले हम उसमें यूज़ करेंगे. आई जस्ट गेट द बॉल. You can show them the nice lovely fragrance of our sugar syrup. मैं ये वाला बाउल यूज़ कर रहा हूँ जिसमें मैं उमाली डालूंगा. इसके ऊपर हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं whipped क्रीम. तो whipped क्रीम से क्या होगा, ये ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट हो जाएगी.
Chef, you have a question
Yes.
by Kuljeet.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Can you tell which country or state the dessert it is?
It is from Middle East. It's from all the desserts which I'm making. Both of them, they both are from Middle East. So you can say it's from UAE. It can be from Lebanon. It can be from Syria. It can be from Iran, Iraq, Egypt. They all prefer to eat this. So this is majority from Arabian Peninsula. So now we have a whipped cream. We will just put whipped cream on the top of it, so that once we bake it, it will cover it. My umali is a bit dry, a little dry, so I'll be adding a little more cream so that it will make it a bit wet. So now you can see our second dessert, which is umali. इसको अब हम bake करेंगे. जैसे हमारा basbousa almost ready हो गया है, and then we will bake this one, and we will serve it to you. So
Chef, we have one compliment coming from Hiral that you must be a chef in Poland. There is no such an amazing chef here. You cook tasty and amazing.
Thank you so much, Hiral. Thank you so much, Hiral, for giving such a nice, lovely feedback. Do we have more questions?
Aman Mehta says hi, chef.
Hi, Aman. Thank you so much for joining.
He's saying it's an amazing session.
Thank you.
Okay, Sia and Bhuvani is saying, is this like a bread pudding?
It's not as sort of bread pudding, but yes, it's almost sort of things which you have used, but it's more of a, you know, we have used a lot of nuts in pistachio, almond, and in pudding you don't use much sort of thing. So guys, अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ मेरे almost basbousa bake हो चुका है. It has a very nice lovely color. Let me show it to you. You can have a look how it looks like. Almost ready हो चुका है. Let me just open and check. बट क्रोजो है, ईस्ट इन सफरा खराब नहीं हो जाएगा. जोस्टिका क्रोजो अगर है, it will not make it ruin it. It's nice croissant. It help you. We make croissant pudding as well, so you can use croissant. Doesn't matter. And then you can have a look. basbousa almost ready हो चुका है. And अब इसको हम 2 मिनट के लिए ठंडा करके रखेंगे. Till the time, I will just have and look at some questions which we have. Hi Pallavi, it's not khari. It's we have used puff pastry, and even you can use croissant. And hi Divya, it's like it's almost sort of a bread pudding, puff pastry. Yes. Hi Seema, everybody's asking for khari. You can use khari, totally depends upon you, but khari is a bit of a salty, so it won't give that much nice flavor to umali. We can use butter, Mohammed. Yes, we can. Hi Rita Gupta, thank you so much. Hi Sumashri Majumdar, can we use muffin mold for basbousa? Yes, you can for smaller portions. Hi Sunita Kocha, thank you so much for joining. Hi Karuna, thank you. Good one sir, more confident, amazing session. Thank you so much Joshika. Hi chef, say my name please. Hi Maha Mait Notani, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much Prafula, thank you so much Hiral. Hi Aman. And hi, thank you so much, guys. So now I'll hand over my phone again to watching from Dubai, Hina Mehta. Hi, Hina Mehta. I am in Ras Al Khaimah, Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah. And now I'll just hand over my phone back to my colleague. Can I add desiccated coconut inside basbousa? Yes, Mini, you can add inside basbousa as well as you can even pour on the top of it. So my basbousa is ready. And I'm just taking it out. Just join. What are you cooking? Urvashi, I'm preparing two Middle Eastern dessert. One is basbousa and the second one is omali. Basbousa is ready. Hi Prabhat, thank you so much for joining. Aman, thank you so much for the compliment. I have 46 liter OTG, so in which range I'll bake? Shanhaz, it's 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Hi Meera Rakesh, thank you so much for joining. Hi Sheila Bhatia, thank you. Yes, it's a nice amazing recipe. Hi Wise Preet. Hi Mohammad Nazruddin, thank you. Hi Pallavi, thank you so much. Yes, I would love to respond to each and everybody. मैं सबको respond करता हूँ. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just transferring my phone again back to my colleague and I'll take out our basbousa. Let me get a tissue paper. You can just show them a nice basbousa. We'll be taking out our nicely baked basbousa. See, it's a nice lovely color. You can show them. And we will bake our omali, जिस पे मैं already whipped cream डाल चुका हूँ. इसको हम बेक करने जा रहे हैं. इसको हम बेक करेंगे 3 से 4 मिनट के लिए because already cooked, so you don't have to bake it for a long time. So इसको हम वही 180 पे डालेंगे, या you can even increase the temperature to give it a nice color. So 190 पे डालते हैं इसको हम, maybe like 2-3 minutes, and then we'll give it a nice color. So now, as you can see, our basbousa is ready. इसको हम डालते हैं इस ट्रे के ऊपर. And let me just get my knife to check. जैसे हमने इसमें already cut लगा के रखे हुए थे, so we have to just cut it again. So it's easy for everybody to remove. Revati, you can read the comments if you have any feedback or comments side by side.
Certainly. Jyotika is saying even basbousa and umali is loved by Indians, so thank you so much for such an amazing recipe.
Thank you so much, Jyotika.
Urvashi Nair is saying love your confidence and the way you interact.
Thank you so much, Urvashi. Thank you so much.
Aman Mehta is asking when are you coming next, chef?
I'm coming next. It's a surprise. I will let you know. It's in the last week of August. I'm coming back again. And now I have a plate. So what I'll do, I will just transfer this one on the plate.
Chef, but it's looking very amazing.
Thank you so much.
I can just smell it from here.
Thank you so much. And I will just remove the ring. First, I think I should remove the butter paper, and because it's a bit softer, so what I'll do, I'll just remove the butter paper, and we have to put a sugar syrup. So जो हमने sugar syrup already बना के रखा हुआ है, वो हम इसके ऊपर डालने वाले हैं. And मेरी ओमाली भी almost bake हो चुकी है. So our first dessert is already ready.
Does the sugar syrup is any string consistency before they were
Sugar syrup should not be much thicker. It should be a thin. So we have to use, for example, 100 gram of sugar. So you have to use 200 ml of water. So it should not be very thick because our basbousa have to absorb it. I'll just take some sugar syrup in my bowl, and then we will just put it over. You can have a look, you can show them. So
Amrita and Anju are saying tempting, it looks tempting.
Thank you so much guys. I hope you guys will try tomorrow on India Independence Day, और इतनी बढ़िया डिश बनाएंगे आप लोग. और let me just try to, because इसको थोड़ा ठंडा करना पड़ता है निकालने से पहले, but I will just show you. I will not cut it much. You can have a look at our nice lovely basbousa. और इसमें हम थोड़ा सा डेजिकेटेड कोकोनट डाल सकते हैं. अगर आपको डालना है, मैं भी थोड़ा कोकोनट डालूंगा इसके ऊपर. You can have a look. Hi Prabhat. Hi Deepa. Hi Saurabh. Hi Jyotika. Very tempting. Thank you so much. Hi Danuka. Hi Mohammed, thank you. Our umali is almost ready. और उमाली को मैं दोबारा डालूँगा. You can have a look. उमाली almost बेक हो चुकी है. एंड उमाली को मैं डालूँगा दोबारा 2 मिनट के लिए 200 डिग्री पे, ताकि 200 या 220 पे डालूँगा ताकि उस पर कलर आ जाए. हमारी डिश ऑलमोस्ट तैयार हो चुकी है. You can have a look. Almost there. Hi Rasika. Hi, thank you so much Prabhat. Hi Hema. You can have a look. This is our nice, lovely basbousa. इस पे हम डालेंगे थोड़ा desiccated coconut to give it a nice, lovely texture. You can have a look, and we can even add some pistachio. That totally depends upon you. You can have a look. Hi Hina, thank you. Hi Kurjeet. Yes, Revati, you can repeat. You can even ask them to repeat the comments. Definitely. Our umali is almost ready.
Okay.
Here it is, our lovely basbousa by Chef Sarthak Kochhar from Hilton Garden, Ras Al Khaimah. And I hope you guys are enjoying my lovely recipes. I'm coming up with the second one, which is almost ready, that is umali. So let Revati read the comments and I will answer your questions. And don't worry if I won't answer right now, I'll be answering after the video, after we are done with our live session. Yes, Revati, over to you.
Okay, thank you. Michael Elizalde is saying chef wow.
Thank
Aman
you.
Mehta is saying thank you for the amazing recipe. We'll try it soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Prabhat Bhandari is saying please like and subscribe to Chef Sarthak's YouTube channel. So Chef, you can
Guys,
share
today
this with
I see I'm so much into my cooking today. I forgot to tell you about my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochhar. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, visit my videos, do like, share, comment and give your feedback. You can even reach me on my Instagram, that is I am Sarthak Kochhar, and even I'm on Facebook, that is Sarthak Kochhar. My all links are above in the description with the recipe, with my link of my YouTube, link of my Facebook, link of my Instagram. So you should don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochhar. I totally forgot today as I'm that much indulged in my cooking. So now we will be just taking out our second tray. It's very hot. Let them show a nice pulpy hot umali. Here it is. So our umali is also ready. I will just remove it. It's very hot. I will just remove it from the tray, and I will move this tray on the other side so that I can show you.
Chef Poonam Sehgal is saying very nice, chef.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you. You can have a look at my nice lovely dish for today. One is umali and the second one is basbousa, and हमने इसकी already plating करके ready करके रख ली है. So मैंने nuts डाल दिए हैं, pistachio डाल दिया है, and our both the desserts are ready for today. Let me just show you. The first one is basbousa by Chef Sarthak Kochhar. Don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, that is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochhar. Link is there. Visit my Facebook, visit my Instagram, follow me, subscribe and check out my lovely recipes I always share on YouTube. And the second dish which I made today, that is our umali. Umali is also Middle Eastern dessert. कल बनाए, Independence Day celebrate करें. I will just put it on my other plate so that I can hold both of them together. Here we go. So I'll just hold both of them together. You can take a nice picture. Here it is, our two lovely desserts for today. One is umali and one is basbousa. I hope you have enjoyed my session. Don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, that is Ministry of Taste by Chef Sarthak Kochhar, and my Instagram, that is I am Sarthak Kochhar, and my Facebook, that is my name, Sarthak Kochhar. You can follow me on my Facebook, follow me on my Instagram. I share my stories, my food, my blogs. I travel, I share about me, I share about food, and I share about my hotel, that is Hilton Garden in Ras Al Khaimah. Thank you so much Amul for giving me this opportunity, for coming live, and I'll just hand over the camera and I'll show them the dish today what I've made. This is Basbousa, and the second one is Umali. Don't forget to visit my YouTube channel. Yes, you want me to cut and show you? Definitely I'm gonna do that. Here it is. Here it is. I've already cut for you. I hope you can see the nice lovely texture. That is Basbousa, and the second one is nice Umali. You can have a look of both the dishes. Thank you so much guys for joining my lovely session. I hope you are enjoying my videos on Amul Facebook Live. I do come live on my Facebook. I'll be starting my live sessions again on my Facebook at the Night Chef. It will be called as Night Chef, as I'll be coming late night. And आप सब मेरा लाइव सेशन देख सकते हैं YouTube पे. मेरी बहुत ही इजी रेसिपीज हैं जो मैं शेयर करता रहता हूँ, एंड आई होप आप सब वहाँ विजिट करें. दैट इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेस्ट बाय शेफ सार्थक कोचा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर जॉइनिंग माई सेशन टुडे. टुमारो मेक श्योर आप इंडिपेंडेंस डे बनाएं, पर मेरी डेजर्ट के साथ. दैट इज बासबूसा नुमाली. रेसिपी ऑलरेडी मैं शेयर कर चुका हूँ, विच इज देयर ऑन द डिस्क्रिप्शन अबव. भूले ना और ट्राई करें. कल इंडिपेंडेंस डे अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स, अपने फ्रेंड्स, कजन्स सबको बना के खिलाएं. एंड आई होप यू गाइज गोना enjoy. And from my side, I'll wish you a very happy Independence Day. That is 15th August 2020. It's tomorrow, and I hope you guys will be having fun tomorrow. I will be working, but I hope you guys gonna have fun. So let me just read the final comments. Jyotika, thank you so much. Don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, she said, and she has subscribed. So आप सब सब्सक्राइब करें मेरा चैनल. दैट इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेस्ट बाय शेफ सार्थक कोचर ऑन यूट्यूब, एंड विजिट माई इंस्टाग्राम. डोंट फॉरगेट टू डू दैट. सो गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच. आई थिंक आई शुड टेक अ लीव. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन almost 38 minutes of yours. Thank you so much Rohit for holding camera and doing my live session. Thank you so much Revati for assisting me from India and reading my comments, as she's not here with us. And thank you guys. See you next time on 25th of August at 4 p.m. and I'll be coming up with something special again. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.